How you can find Trust Wallet private key. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, if I open up this particular article, as most of you know, you can only access the recovery phrase in your Trust wallet. Now where you can find your private key. Now right now, if I open up this article and go with the private key options, as you can see, private key is composed of 64-digit hexadecimal character generated by the encryption algorithm, just like this one right here. Now, many people say that your recovery phrase serves as your private key, which doesn't make any sense. But in 2020, there was an option in Trust Wallet where you can simply access your recovery phrase with your private key as well by simply opening up your particular wallets and clicking on it. And you have somewhere like private key right in this particular place, which you can simply copy and paste it. Let's say if you want to add this in MetaMask, so right now this option is no longer available. You can ask the Trust Wallet support for the further assistance in this particular matter, but right now there is no such an option of private key. Maybe in the future Trust Wallet add this particular option, but right now you cannot access it from your Trust Wallet mobile application. So hope this is how you can find Trust Wallet private key.